function of manganese in plants. Example, photosynthesis. Function of photosynthesis ay para makagawa ng kanilang sariling pagkain gamit ang light energy at carbon dioxide. At sa enzyme activation naman po, ang function po ay para mapabilis po ng ang mga specific at ang life-sustaining biochemical reaction sa pamamagitan ng pagpapababa ng activation energy. Tapos sa chlorophyll, ang function naman po sa chlorophyll production para ma-convert po ang light energy sa chemical energy. Tapos sa cell growth and development po ay para bumuo ng mature na organism. Tapos sa function of metabolic processes naman po ay to sustain life sa pamamagitan ng pag-convert ng energy at matter para sa paglaki. And sa function of nutrients use naman po ay plant survival, growth, development at reproduction. Deficiency naman po sa manganese ay
Nakasurat ka lang sa iyo,
characterized by intervenal chlorosis. Example po ay nag-yellowing po between green veins sa mas younger po na leaves, stunted growth and development or small brown or gray necrotic spots, and lowered crop quality. In addition to lower yields, the quality of the crop is also negatively impacted, and reduced overall growth and yield, decreased tolerance to stress, weaker resistance to decreases, and impaired photosynthesis and starch synthesis. Pareho po sa stunted growth, lower crop yields, and increased susceptibility to drought, heat, and frost. Reduced nutrient uptake. Manganese deficiency can lead to suboptimal use of other nutrients like phosphorus. And manganese deficiency po ay malubhang nakaka-apekto sa kalusugan ng halaman sa intervenal chlorosis sa mga nakababatang sa mga younger leaves, example po ang stunted growth, necrotic spots.
Kana. Toxicity. Manganese.
Ano ba yun? Ako?
Jake. Apa.
Toxicity symptoms of manganese. Wait lang.
Right.
Toxicity symptoms of manganese. Manganese toxicity symptoms in plants appears as brown-black spots on older leaves and yellowing chlorosis of younger leaves, often spreading from the margins. Other symptoms include crinkle leaves, stunned growth, dark necrotic patches that may turn into holes and the death of leaf tissue. Ang manganese toxicity, ito ay nagkakos ng mga sintomas tulad ng chloros o pag-yellow ng mga dahon, necrosis, pagkamatay ng tissue, leaf curling o pag-ikot ng mga dahon, stand growth o pagbagal o mabagal na pagtubo, and brown spot o mga batik sa dahon. Karaniwan ito sa mga acidic soil na may mataas na manganese content. Nakaka-apekto sa pag-absorb ng nutrients ng halaman, lalo na ang iron at magnesium. Ikaw na, please.
Subali ma'am, sa ako naman po is molybdenum. Ang function po sa molybdenum in plants is a role in nitrogen assimilation, which is involved in enzymes that convert atmospheric nitrogen and nitrate into usable form for growth and protein synthesis. It also essential for other processes such as sulfur metabolism via the enzyme sulfur oxidase and the synthesis of certain hormones and protein. Symbolic man po ma'am. Symbolic sa nitrogen fixation is molybdenum is a key component of the nitrogen enzymes complex which is used by bacteria in the root noodles of noodles of legumes to convert atmospheric nitrogen gas which is N2 into ammonia. The enzyme nitrate reduced to which is molybdenum convert nitrate into nitrate. A crucial step in the process of turning nitrate into amino acid and protein. Tapos, ang deficiency po niya, matagal ito po nilid sa ako, pagpaliwanag ko. Symptoms to look for stone growth. Molybdenum deficiency is the plants cause stone growth, yellowing. Ay, mga mag-yellow na po baga siya. Nag-yellow na siya. Tapos, growth yellowing, colors of leaf and impaired nutrient use. Symptoms to look for stunted growth. Stunted growth ang hibaba po ini ang pandak siya. Para sa nagputong. Ganun. Stunted growth, plants oversized and reduced. Leaf yellowing, mapayari mamaya na mag-yellow po siya din eh. Yellow siya sa bawat paligid. Order leaves develop an eye yellowing similar to nitrogen deficiency. Tapos, paras lang po siya sa nitrogen deficiency. Parang magkaano lang siya, pero mas yellowish talaga ang molybdenum. Tapos, marginal source. The tips of edge of the leaves may become brown and crispy. Ito ma'am na magiging brownish siya tapos magiging crispy siya pag inilog siya ang dahon. Tapos abnormal leaf shape. Ang mga pangito ng shape sa leaves baga sa mga dahon. Tapos in some plants, leaves may become distorted with a lack of differentiation between veins and mga magkaiba-iba talaga sila. Parang dahon niya magayon tapos diba dahil sa kulang sa molybdenum magiging crispy, mag-ibang mukha ang shape niya. Silvery patches may appear on the leaf tissue between the veins. May magkakaiba ang ang mukha dito banda sa may veins banda. Tapos, reduced nitrogen fixation lesions will show as symptoms and nitrogen deficiency because they cannot fix atmospheric nitrogen deficiency without molybdenum. Pagwala sa molybdenum.
Molybdenum toxicity in plants causes yellowing or golden yellow. Coloration often beginning in younger leaves. Common symptoms: yellowing, fluorescence, characterized golden yellow or orange yellow. Appearance is starting in the youngest leaves. In severe cases, it can progress to amber and browning at the leaf margins. Marginal surge browning and drying of the leaf edges, stunted growth, reduced overall growth and development. Thick stems can become usually thick moribund buds. Buds may appear dead or dying. Anthocyanin accumulation, reddish purple.
Pwede mo pa niya
Accumulation, reddish purple pigment may build up in the leaves. Leaf curl. In some plants like tomatoes, leaf curl. In some plants like tomatoes, leaves may curl upward through. This is also symptoms of deficiency, reduced yield. Overall, crops yield can be decreased due to the symptoms. Yun na po, ma'am.